Hi everyone, Petal is Bless here. I'm coming on today because I want to share with you guys this DIY that I have to do today, and it's gonna be a wall sconce, wall decor. I went to the Dollar Tree and I was so happy because I found these silver party bowls that they have. I've seen lots of people with them in the US, but we didn't have them in Canada, and now they're here, so I'm so happy for that. You know, these Dollar Trees, they don't all have the same things at the same time, so I'm glad we got this one. And also, ladies, I went to the Dollar Tree and they have gems. Not this exact pack, but they're just like this, and they're at the Dollar Tree now, which I was so surprised. So that's a nice thing. Yeah. Okay, so here are the trays that I found, which are very nice. They're party bowls. I'm going to use them to do a wall sconce today. And I got 3 of them. And they also have these tea light candle holders, which are so cute. Yeah, I found these at the Dollar Tree, which these are so super cute, I think. And I have the gems that I'll be using. I'll be using the small gems and the large and the medium ones also. And those are from Dollarama. Now, this set here, I found at the Dollar and More store in my area, and I thought they were cute. I had them before, so I got another pack, so I might use that. And we have our scissors and our glue gun. All right, everyone, let's get started. All right, you guys, we're going to start by placing a large gem in the center, and then we're just going to fill it out with small gems going all the way around. Just the center part. All the money that came and changed it all up. But now, ain't nothing gonna come and change all love. Cause now it's a different love. I'ma love it better, love. I'ma love it better, yeah. Now that I got you beside me. You beside me. Girl, I got you beside me. I'ma love you better now, baby, let's celebrate now. Beside me, And now we're going to add the medium gems to the 4 corners. 2 in each of the corners, going all the way around. When I had you, I would say okay. I need you beside me. Yeah, girl, I need you beside me. Yeah. You beside me. You beside me. Yeah. You beside me. Beside me. Beside me. Yeah, yeah. You beside me. Okay, now it's time to put our tea light holder into the center of our bowl. And we'll be using the E6000 along with our glue gun to glue it down to the center of our bowl. Just for your attention, I work hard for it. For you to call me up right now, girl, I recover. And I realize that I've made a big mistake. And here's our finished look, you guys. Our wall sconce. I put the 3 of them together, side by side. And here we go. They're all blinged out with the gems. I like how it's shiny and nice. I like how they look. All my life I've been waiting for somebody like you. All my life. And now see that nobody like you. Nowadays my life's like a hurricane ran through it. Okay, here's a better look at the gems. Did the center and the corners I did with the bigger gems. And underneath the tea light, I had to put these large gems because there's a hole underneath the bottom of the tea lights, which I didn't understand. And where I'm going to place them, it was showing that there's a hole on the bottom. So I just put the gems under there. When I had you, I was okay. And I'll be using command strips to hang them up. I use these ones here. And I also use these ones, the larger command strips. Now the large ones I'll be using to hang up this centerpiece because it has the candle holder and it's a little heavier. So I'm just going to use the large ones for this one. And for these ones I'll be using the smaller strips because they're light. I always use command strips. I love using them to hang up my decor and I don't have any problems with that and it doesn't damage my walls. So that's why I like using them. And you can find them at Walmart, everyone. And here's where I place them, in my dining area. I think they look very nice up there. And here's a closer look at them. I really like how they turned out. And they add that added touch of bling to my space, which I like. Alright, everyone. Thank you so much for coming on and seeing the DIY that I did for today. And I hope I've inspired you to add something nice to your home decor. And if you'd like to see more of my DIY ideas, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petal is Blessed. Bye bye, everyone. Choosing material things over you. Yeah. Call me young girl, please, please. I'm a new,